So I'm just about to clean my microwave here. It's very dirty indeed. And lots of stuck on bits, and I've just got the kitchen Duoglove here and my water. So just wet the fibre. I'm going to use the stripy side first for all the stuck on bits, just to get them loosened up. Just give it a wee squirt with some water. Obviously the dirtier your area, the more water you're going to need to clean. Round in circles gently, not pressing too firmly. If you press too hard, it stops the fibres from being able to do their work. So you don't need to have any pressure. Light circles, and it just lifts off all the stuck on bits there. Now I'm flip the glove over just to lift up any grease and grime with the other side of the fibre, with the strong fibre of the kitchen Duoglove. And I'll just get my Enjo here to dry off. Just it shines it up nicely to finish, dries off, and a dry surface is less likely to attract dirt and bacteria. And it just leaves it nice and shiny as well. Thank you for watching.